guys, it's your baby girl back at it again with another YouTube video. So today, what's today? Hey Alexa, what's today?
Today is Wednesday, February 17th. By the way, I can also share tips on healthy eating and lifestyle.
I don't want that.
Try saying, give me a nutrition tip.
No! It's actually really early in the morning. Hey Alexa, what time is it?
It's 9:26 a.m.
It's 9:26.
Enjoy your morning, Tabitha.
Okay. She's so rude. What a damn. Let's just get straight to it. As y'all can see, my hair is already parted and sectioned off. And as you can see, I just put them in twists so I could just basically get the format and like the parts of how I want to do the knotless braids. So yeah, when you're doing knotless braids, it is very important that you buy pre-stretched hair, or that you stretch out the hair you're going to be using. And since I will be doing the knotless braids kind of shorter, I'm cutting the hair in half to just not waste all the hair. So I decided to use jam and oil to do this hair, and I started off with the oil at first to basically moisturize my hair, and since I put gel in it, I wanted my hair to try to grow in the process, so I put oil first. So here I'll be showing you guys how I did the knotless braid. So yeah. I ended up not liking the video I made after that. I did not like the outro. So right now, I'm basically just telling you guys like, yeah, I finished my hair. I'm very proud. I finished around 2 o'clock, 2:37-ish. And I started at 9, so I was really proud because at the Africans, they will take like 9 hours. I'm very proud. Like I'm done with my hair. I will be inserting clips on my hair from the outro, but whatever, bye. Basically, yes guys, so that is the end of today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn that post notifications on. The products that I used will be in the description, so, and comment some videos that you guys want me to do next. Like, I really want to do this YouTube stuff and I need some ideas, so peace out.